Students, here we begin a new chapter named Health is Wealth. Overeating makes people lazy. We should exercise to stay fit. A bit of hard work and determination can help us to become healthy. We all know how important exercise is for our health, but we still ignore it. Here is a story of a village headman who stopped at every possible moment of his body and just rested the whole day. So, we can find and read and hear what happened to him. Okay, let's begin the chapter. The proclaimer shouts to make an important announcement. The headman of our village is ill. The person who cures him will get a reward. Proclaimer means a person who looks everything, and in this story, this person looks everything of the village headman, and he shouts by making an announcement that headman of our village is very ill, and those who treat and make cure will get a reward. Reward means prize. Cure means treat and be healthy, fit. Why such an announcement? Of course, there is a reason for it. The headman of Bulpur or Phulpur is ill. It is not at all an ordinary illness. It is an illness the medicine for which is not even known to the best physician. Due to this illness, the headman has become not weak or thin but fat and obese. So everyone is asking why this type of announcement. So everyone is saying that there is a reason for that, because our headman is very ill, and this illness is not an ordinary illness. Ordinary means normal. So this headman is a headman in the village named Phulpur. Phulpur is a village in the Andhra Pradesh. It is the village in our India. So they are saying this is not an ordinary disease and not an ordinary illness, because even the physician don't know the medicine of this illness. Physician means the person who know all about medicines. So even the physician don't know about this illness. Due to this illness, headman is not becoming thin or not becoming weak. He is becoming very fat and obese. Obese means very overweight. He is becoming fat because of this illness. Now the headman is in such a position that he needs help of attendants to make him do his daily course. So he need the help of supporters, or he need the help of others to do his works. Course means duties or works. He can only sit when he is made to sit by his attendants, and lie down when he is assisted to do so. So here is the condition that only by others or only by attendants he is able to sit or he is able to lie in the bed. Standing and walking is just out of question. So he can only now do lying and standing. He can't lying and sitting. He can stand or he can walk. If he need to walk or if he need to stand, he need the help of attendants. How did the headman reach this condition? This happened not because of any illness or disease, but because of lack of exercise and by overeating. The poor headman keeps lying in his bed waiting for his attendants to help him sit and then lie down. So here is the reason why this illness or diseases had came to the headman, because he is very overeating and he is in lack of exercise. So here the poor headman is in help of to have attendants to sit, whether to lie in bed or to sit. He is want the help of attendants. Announcements were done earlier too, but nothing happened. Physicians came and went, taking away fat fees. So the announcement were done earlier, and announcement is now also is doing, but nothing happened. Just physician came and they went by taking fees. Now the announcement has become a regular feature in the village. A poor lady named Ramabai also hears the announcement. Ramabai, though old, is hardworking and intelligent. She somehow understands the real cause of Headman's illness. An idea strikes her mind. She makes a plan to cure the Headman. So now the announcement is become a regular or a common fact in the village, and an old poor lady came to hear the announcement, and her name is Ramabai, and Ramabai is also old, and she's hardworking and intelligent, and as the village headman and Ramabai is in same old or same age, maybe the Ramabai know about the reason or about the real cause of the headman's illness. So an idea came to her mind, and she made a plan how this can be solved or how this illness can be cured. Ramabai tells no one of her plan. She packs a bag, ties her hair up in a bun, and goes straight to the headman's house. So she packed up her bag, and she well dressed like a physician, experienced physician. But she didn't tell her plan, or she didn't share about her plan to anyone. She looked like an experienced physician. After saluting, she says, "Honorable headman, I have come here after hearing about your illness. I am not an ordinary physician. You may call me the Empress of Doctors." So Ramabai reached headman's house and said that she's not an ordinary physician. She's saying that she's not a normal physician. You can call me Empress of Doctors. Empress of Doctors means queen of doctors, because she said because like she's very experienced. The headman is impressed and allows her to start treating him. Ramabai bows before the headman and says, "There is one condition. You have to do what I tell you to do. Otherwise, my medicine will not cure you." So, headman is very surprised and very impressed by hearing the voice or by hearing the sayings from the Ramabai, and he allows to treat him. But Ramabai said one condition, that the village headman should follow, or the village headman should do what Ramabai told to do. The headman is in a fix, but there is no other alternative but to accept Ramabai's condition. So this headman was a little bit confused whether to accept or not. And the village headman accepted the condition of Ramabai, because there is no second chance to get a experienced physician like Ramabai. Ramabai then tells headman that there is a simple routine he has to follow. It is as simple as plucking 5 neem leaves every morning from a particular tree. So she said this is a simple routine, simple way you need to follow. It is simple like plucking 5 neem trees from a tree in morning. But this tree stands about 500 steps away from the main gate of headman's house. The tree set by Ramabai is far away, about 500 steps from the headman's house. There is another point to be kept in mind. Only one neem leaf is to be plucked at the time and is to be brought back to the main gate of the house and then chewed. So he need to take one neem leaf by walking 500 steps and then came back to the headman's house or the main gate of headman and chew. In this way, 5 neem leaves are to be plucked and chewed daily for 30 days without any break in between. This has to be performed by the headman himself, not by anyone else. So, in a day, 5 neem leaves have to be plucked by walking these 500 steps and chewed daily, and it should be done without any break in between for 30 days, and this should be done only by the headman, and it cannot be performed by anyone else. It should only done by the headman. So students, we can stop now here, and next class we can see or we can listen what will happen to this headman and what will the results of headman by said by the Ramabai. Okay, thank you.